So today we're looking at a phone case from, one of my favorite brands of phone cases because, well, I just use them all the time, and that's QuadLock. These guys here, QuadLock, right? QuadLock. Is it seeing it? I think it's seeing it. QuadLock cases. I have an iPhone 14 Pro, but at some point in time, the iPhone 16 Pro should be arriving. It was supposed to arrive on launch day, but as you can tell, today's past launch day and it's still not here, so I'm not overly happy with the guys at Apple for being like, yeah, you ordered it right when you were supposed to, and you'll get it 4 days later, 5 days later. Who knows when it's going to get here? I don't know. Anyways, I have a phone case for it, so I'm super pleased that I don't have to be without once the phone actually arrives. For those of you that have never used QuadLock stuff and you ride a motorcycle or you do anything that's, I want to say, anything that's, I don't even want to say adventure, something that just needs your phone to not be flopping around, these are the guys. This is the stuff. You want their stuff. You need their stuff. This is the good stuff, right? So exploring. Do your exploring. But what's cool, right, is that you can kind of either build your own 10% off. If you want 10% off, that's nice. You can go to iPhone, which is what I would have done. iPhone 16 Pro. Now, of course, QuadLock loves me. They do. I get it. And you can get a case. You can get a poncho. You can get a tempered glass for it, etc., etc. And then, of course, you can get all the different kind of mounts. If you're getting a mount, I would possibly go to the mag style and do a build your own. But today we are looking at the case. If this just opens up here, what I find kind of not funny, I guess, is that they do seem to have the mag case style, which is again what this was, right? See that little mag case style? This one, as I can tell, not mag case. But I think, right, you can come in here and say mag case, original case. I got sent the original case. Would have liked the mag case. I don't think it's really all that matters. It says it's compatible with all QuadLock mounts. But if you are going to be using this with MagSafe accessories, which is probably something that I'd want to do, I may have to reach out and see if I can get the MagSafe version, because that's better. It's better for those of us that rock that. So you have, as you can see here, a pull. Pull. And we're not going to put it on my phone because it's not the right phone. But they have them, so that's what matters. You do get a warranty, and maybe you guys can see that. I'm hoping you guys can see that. They're inside of their case. It's lovely. It's really nice. You can see, right? Well, maybe this is a mag case. It just has black. Maybe that's the deal. Maybe that is a mag case. It's just with a black ring on it, because maybe, I think it is actually. I think it is, because normally if you look at this one here, yes, maybe original case. Can I click on it? No, I can't click on it. MagSafe, mag 1, mag, non-mag. Yeah, so that's non-mag, mag. So I did get the mag. We're happy. We're good. We're good. Super good. All right. And you can tell, right, you do have, if you look here, the new button, because normally it would be a switch to new button there for on the 15, I guess, and the 16 there's a button, but there's the new camera slot, right? It's for the click push slide. I hope this is focusing on me. I keep clicking on it doing eye detection and it says I don't want to, and I'm like, okay. But if you do look, camera bump looks about the same. Phone case wise, it's probably hard to see black on black, but they're pretty much identical. They did say that it's a 6.3 versus a 6.1, but I think what happened is the frame of the actual iPhone didn't get much bigger, if bigger at all. That the actual screen got bigger and the border around the phone screen got smaller. Again, if you come up here, you can see, right, they used to have an open slot for the mute button, whereas now it's a physical button. And if you flip these around here, Same basic idea, but you have the new phone slide out button. The same great design, same great look, same great protection. If you don't have a QuadLock case, I would definitely look into it. And this again is for the 14. You know what? It fits in your pocket like a champ, and it feels great. This is, you know, I get a lot of cases to review, and there are other cases, of course, that are good. Like, they're fine. They work great. But I always go back to my QuadLock every time, just because of the functionality of it. You know, you can get stands for the house, stands for the car. You can get like exercise band things. You can get like little wallets and things like that for the back. Super good stuff. Anyways, QuadLock, iPhone 16. They got a case now for the whole 16 lineup. Or if you have an old QuadLock or old iPhone or old Android phone or old whatever phone, I'm sure they have stuff for you too. Just head on over and take a look, because they're good. You pay a little bit more, but once you got the ecosystem, then it really doesn't matter. It just doesn't want to lock on. I don't understand. Anyways, once you have the ecosystem, you're good. It's all gravy, and you just have to buy the cases. And honestly, what's the case cost? Not much. It's like, I don't know, 30, 40 bucks, I think, something like that. Add 10 bucks, add 10 bucks. What if I just wanted a case? If I just wanted a case, didn't want any other stuff, right? Yeah, 39 bucks. That's where they start. That's not horrible. That's not horrible at all. All right, guys, QuadLock, iPhone 16. Go get it. Love it. Enjoy it. Protect your stuff. You'll thank me later. Or you won't. I don't know. It's fine.